Welcome to Infi Gyan. In this video, we have another very interesting question from algebra. We have to find the least value of the expression 6x square minus 22x plus 21 over 5x square minus 18x plus 17, given that x belongs to real number. I'll be sharing three different ways to proceed this problem. Here we have M1, which is our method 1. Let us say expression equal to fx and it is also equal to y. Now denominator cannot be 0 if we will check if discriminant is negative. So we won't get any real value. Denominator cannot be 0. Now I will cross multiply. I can write y times 5x square minus 18x plus 17. This must be equal to 6x square minus 22x plus 21. Now we'll multiply with y. So I can write 5yx square. Then we will write minus 18yx. Then we'll write 17y. In RHS we have 6x square minus 22x plus 21. Let's write in LHS. So I will revert the sign. Minus 6x square plus 22x minus 21 equal to 0. Now I will take x square common from these two terms. So we can write 5y minus 6 times x square. Then we have x term. Here I will take x common. So in the bracket we will be writing 22 minus 18y times x. Then we have 17y minus 21. So let's write 17y minus 21 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation. For x belongs to real number, our discriminant must be non-negative, greater than or equal to 0. Then only we will get real x. So we will be using this condition. Delta is b square minus 4ac. This should be greater than or equal to 0. Here a is 5y minus 6, b is 22 minus 18y, c is 17y minus 21. Let's put a, b, c. We will get b is 22 minus 18y. Then we have to put a square over here, b square minus 4 times a is 5y minus 6 and b is 17y minus 21. This must be greater than or equal to 0. Now we can take 2 common from this bracket. It will come out with 2 square, that is 4. We will write here 4 times 11 minus 9y whole square minus 4 times 5y minus 6 times 17y minus 21 greater than or equal to 0. Now we can divide our inequality by 4 and we will get 11 minus 9y whole square minus 5y minus 6 times 17y minus 21 should be greater than or equal to 0. Now we will be using a minus b whole square identity. So I can write here 11 square is 121 minus 2ab will give us minus 198y. 9y whole square is 81y square. Then in bracket 5y times 17y 85y square. Then we will get minus 207y. Then we will get 126 in the bracket greater than or equal to 0. Or we will write 81y square minus 85y square minus 198y plus 207y. Then we have plus 121 and minus 126 greater than or equal to 0. 81 minus 85 minus 4, we will write minus 4y square minus 198y plus 207y, we will get plus 9y. 121 minus 126 minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. Let's multiply our inequality by negative sign or by minus 1. So our inequality will get reversed. We will write 4y square minus 9y plus 5 should be less than or equal to 0. Now we will try to factor LHS. Let me write here 4y square minus 9y plus 5 less than or equal to 0. Now we can split minus 9y. So I will be writing 4y square. Let us write minus 4y minus 5y plus 5 should be less than equal to 0. Now from first two terms we can take 4y common. So in the bracket we will write y minus 1. From next two terms, if I will take minus 5 common, we will retain the same bracket y minus 1 less than equal to 0. So our factorization is done. Y minus 1 times 4y minus 5 should be less than equal to 0. So from here we will get y should be in the interval 1 to 5 over 4. So the minimum value of y would be 1. So our answer is least value of the rational expression must be equal to 1. This was method number 1. Now we will take up method number 2. So I am writing here M2. This is our fx, if I will write here, or y. Let us write numerator in terms of denominator. So I will split 6x square, 5x square plus x square. So let me write here 5x square plus x square. Minus 22x can be written as minus 18x minus 4x. Then we have 21, which we will split 17 plus 4. In denominator we have 5x square minus 18x plus 17. Now we will retain numerator in terms of denominator. So I can write 5x square, then I will write minus 18x, then I will write plus 17. So three terms are left, x square minus 4x plus 4. In denominator we have 5x square minus 18x plus 17. Now we will split numerator with denominator. So I can write here 5x square minus 18x plus 17 over 5x square minus 18x plus 17. Then we have plus sign. Here we can write x square minus 4x plus 4 over denominator is 5x square minus 18x plus 17. Now these two terms will get over. I will write here 1. So here we have to write 1 plus. This is perfect square of x minus 2. So I will write x minus 2 whole square, and in denominator we have 5x square minus 18x plus 17. Now square must be greater than or equal to 0. This is always non-negative, greater than or equal to 0. Now we will check the discriminant of denominator. So discriminant would be b square, it is 18 square 324 minus 4ac, 4 times 5 times 17, it would be 340, which will come out minus 16. Discriminant is negative, we won't get any real solution. So the minimum value of y minimum would be 1. Now our method number 3. I will use calculus. Using quotient rule we will find. So I will write here if fx is equal to u over v, then I can write here f dash x. This must be equal to vu dash minus uv dash over v square. Here u is 6x square minus 22x plus 21 and v is denominator 5x square minus 18x plus 17. So let us find f prime x. So I will write here f prime x. This would be v. So I need to write v here 5x square minus 18x plus 17. Then we have to find derivative of numerator. Derivative of 6x square minus 22x plus 21. We will get 12x minus 22. Then we will put minus sign u times. So I need to write u 6x square minus 22x plus 21. This is u. Now we have to find derivative of denominator. Will be equal to 10 times x minus 18 divided by denominator is square. So I will write 5x square minus 18x plus 17 whole square. Now we have to simplify our numerator. It will simplify and we can write 2x square minus 6x plus 4 over denominator square 5x square minus 18x plus 17 whole square. To find critical points, f prime x must be equal to 0. So we will put f prime x 0. So I will write here 2x square minus 6x plus 4 over denominator is 5x square minus 18x plus 17 whole square must be equal to 0. So I can write 2x square minus 6x plus 4 equal to 0. Let's take 2 common from LHS. We will get x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. We can factor x square minus 3x plus 2 and we will write x minus 1 times x minus 2 must be equal to 0. So from here we will get x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. Now we have two critical points, x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. To skip second derivative test, we can use global comparison method by simply finding f1 and f2 because we know critical points. So I will calculate f1 straight away. Here we have f of x. Put x equal to 1 over here. So we will get 6 minus 22 plus 21 over 5 minus 18 plus 17. So 21 plus 6 is 27 minus 22, 5, and in denominator 22 minus 18, 4, which is greater than 1. Now we will calculate f of 2 also. So we have to calculate 6 times 4, 24, minus 22 times 2, 44, plus 21, and in denominator 5 times 4, 20, minus 18 times 2, 36, plus 17. So in numerator we are going to get 24 plus 21, 45, 45 minus 44 is 1, in denominator 37 minus 36 is 1, this is equal to 1. So the minimum value between f1 and f2, it is 1 at x equal to 2. So I will write here fx minimum would be 1. This is our method number 3. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.